Hi everyone, I'd like to welcome you to the first week of your course in Clearwater EdTech Trainings. This video is to give you a little orientation about how each week works, its assignments, due dates, and any questions or concerns you might have. Here on the Google Classroom homepage, if you visit one of your courses, some may be in multiple, each Google Classroom course, if you're not familiar, has the stream, which is for general announcements. You'll see there's a course information here, as well as a welcome video. You're going to find all of your assignments for each week in the classwork tab. Our courses are broken into their 3 weeks, week 1, 2, and 3. Each week on Friday, the assignments for the following week are released. That gives you 10 days to complete them until the following Sunday at 11:59 p.m. when they're due. You'll see here that in week 1, there is a reading assignment, a video scaffold, and an exploration challenge. This is the basic outline for each of our courses. Some weeks there are a few different things, but this is pretty much the general setup. The reading assignment contains a Google Doc with a link to a couple of articles and some reflection questions. Those articles also contain integration tips and tricks for the tool for that week. I would suggest that you start with the reading assignment as it has good information about the tool that we're using that week. The next assignment is the video scaffold. It's also a Google Doc. The video scaffold contains links to tutorial videos about specific skills in that technology tool. There are also boxes for whether that skill was new to you, something you might use, and a box for any comments that you'd like to make or notes. Please feel free to put your notes here. They're certainly not required for every single skill, but it might be something that you find useful if you want to go back and look at that as you reach the third assignment. The third assignment each week is the exploration challenge. This is simply some sort of a challenge or a task that involves you using the tool and the skills and the ideas that you learned about in the reading assignment and the video scaffold. Again, it's a Google Doc. It has directions about the specific challenges or challenge for that week, and then usually a spot for you to place a link for your product, or maybe a checkbox to say that you've turned it in, depending on what that challenge is, as well as what you liked or didn't like about that. Each of these 3 documents is a Google Doc, which means in the top right-hand corner, you'll see a button that says Turn In. After you've completed each of those, you can go ahead and click that button, Turn In. At the bottom of each of those docs, there's also a reminder for you to do that. My suggested order for you is to do the reading, followed by the video tutorials, followed by the exploration challenge. I think that's the order that best promotes learning in terms of the technology tools. Again, all assignments are due at 11:59 p.m. At the end of the week there. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. I look forward to having you and look forward to a great 3 weeks. Thank you.